Yeah, hello, good evening. Today I'm going to explain you about the this software whose name is the Autodial. So here we have a features like one user can able to do a manual call and a predictive call, and we have a lots of features in this. So basically we have in this two panel, that is admin panel and agent panel. So like one admin can have a multiple agents. So suppose there is a one admin, and one admin can have multiple agent like 100, 200, 500, like that there will be. So basically agent can able to track admin can able to track all the details of the agent, like agent is calling to a particular like how many member they have called today, and they can able to listen the recording also. So this type of features we have included in this software. So basically coming to the flow, so whenever you will click on the admin panel, the admin has to click enter their username and password. So after clicking on this, the admin will be redirected to the dashboard page. So here you can see the details. So the admin can see how many active member are there, like all the things we can track, like we can see from this dashboard page only. So we don't have to go to the multiple page. So here you can see, so currently there is total number of agent, we have a two user, like so. And from here we can see that how many campaign we have. So currently here you can see total number of campaign is 7, and here we have a two campaign valid list, 2 is inactive and 5 is active. So that was about the campaign. And coming to the user details, so from here you can see like we have a total 17 user. In that we have 15 active user and 2 inactive user, like that we have a detail about the campaign also, in group also, did also. And basically this graph we have included regarding the calls. So here we can see like how many there was answered call, answered inbound call, answered outbound call, dropped outbound call, and inbound calls. Okay, so this was about the inbound call. So from here, by seeing the graph user can able to identify like how many numbers of call, like answered outbound call or whatever the things has happened. So just when you will click on hover on this, so you can get the number, like how many in number coming here. So based on that we can know, right? So coming to this, as we can see, it's already highlighted that this box is indicating there is a total number of calls, inbound calls, outbound calls, and max agent. And these two graphs are responsible for our system RAM, like how much CPU uses. This both the detail are providing in real time. So whatever the detail is coming from your system, that we will displaying here, like coming to this CPU uses and RAM uses. So this was about our dashboard page. Now coming to the live calls. So from here you can able to track, suppose we admin one admin have a 10 user, right? So if a 10 user are on call, so from here they can able to see like whether all the 10% are in call or only 5 are on call, or like whatever the status is there, like waiting status, or they are in call, or whatever the things they are doing, you can able to see from here only. So currently here you can see currently we have a like whatever the agent admin I have logged in through the credential. So basically in this we have a two agent. So one agent name is this, like they haven't given the name, they have used a number. And after that the second agent we have that called yatharth. So currently you can see this agent is ready to call, but it is not calling. So currently it is like coming in a ready state. So here we have a pause state. So means this yatharth agent has already called to some member, but currently it is in hold, like he's in pause state. And this is the manager of this client is this one. Okay, and you can able to see here, though we have a 36 call, like Yatharth has called today 36 member. So based on that, this is all about the real time tracking. So like if after 5 minutes the Yatharth will connect to a two or more than two calls, so this value will be automatically update. You don't have to like refresh the page or whatever the things. Automatically this page, like you will get the detail, you will get the updated detail based on a certain particular seconds. So here we have a like this report view. So if you want to see the report like within 6 second interval or 12 second interval or whatever the things, you can change from here. This we have a features in this. And coming to this we have a monitor features. So see, when we'll click on listen, the admin can able to listen. Sorry, yeah, coming to this conference call. Okay, sorry. I did a mistake. Like when we'll click on listen, we have to enter the number. Suppose if you will click on some member number, then we can able after clicking on submit, you can see here one icon came listen. So basically this is responsible for, suppose Yatharth is calling to some client name Ritika, right? So if Yatharth and Ritika is calling, and we will click on this listen button, then suppose admin can able to listen that call, like Yatharth and Ritika will not know that whether the admin is listening our call or not. Okay, so this is our features, and this we call a listen. After that, coming to this conference, in conference, like admin can able to admin like 2 3 member can able to it's just like a normal conference call, like 2 2 3 member will connect together, and they can deal and they can talk to each other, right? And third, we have features like whisper. Okay, so this is a whisper. So basically, in this, what is happening? Suppose Yatharth is our like agent, and Yatharth is talking with Ritika, and like I am an admin. So my name is Kundan. So if I am an admin, then I can click on this. I can click on this icon, and the call will come in my number, and after that I can talk to the Yatharth. So basically, I will whisper to Yatharth, means Ritika is not listening. So these are our features. So sometime if some situation like Yatharth is unable to solve the query of a Ritika, so Yatharth need my help, right? So at that time, I can able to connect to the Yatharth, and I can instruct him like how to deal with the situation, or whatever the things I have to say to him, so that he can interact with Ritika. Okay, so that type of features we have integrated. And here this you can see here we have a logout button also. So sometime what happen, like we have 10 clients, right? So if like out of 10 clients, if suppose we can see from here like 4 client is not working properly, or we can see that they are inappropriate client, or because of some behavior or whatever the things will be there. So we can do here hard logout, like, so whenever click here, the agent will be completely logged out. Okay, so this was about our this live calls page. And from here you can able to track that all the detail, like member, like call time by user, like this user has how many minute they have talked there. And here we can track like how many like answered call was there and a dropped call was there. Okay, and this all like already you can see this, meaning I have mentioned like already the page is indicating like what is the purpose of this. So this is responsible for active calls, call ringing, agent login, and that's all for it. And this was also about call status. So as you see that one person is in a ready state and one is in pause state. So you can see here that one person is in both graph, right? So similarly, we have a 2 3 more features. So like when the client will be in further like a call ringing state or calling state, so based on that, the graph will be generated automatically. Okay, so here also the graph is responsible for logged in, like how many are in logged in, how many are in call, so like that, how many agent are in waiting, like that, all the detail we can able to see, right? So now coming to the third page, so we have a recording, right? So from here basically we can able to track the recording, like suppose our agent have talked to some clients, right? So sometime we want to listen that whether the agent have talked to like in a properly way or not, like whether they have solved the issue or not. Okay, so to track this issue we have a recording phase. So basically we are giving a features of 6 months, like the recording will be available for 6 months, so you can able to listen that anytime. So basically for that you have to set a time interval. So completely now coming to this one, I am just entering the detail from 10:1 to 10:19, right? So from here, suppose we have a client, previously we have a client named Muskan. Okay, so I'm just clicking on here. Okay, so basically here you can see like after entering the details, the order record I got that recording, and from here I can listen the recording, and from here when I will click here, and the recording will be downloaded. So as per your convenience, whatever the in which phase you will be comfortable, that you can do, you can listen from here or you can download from here, right? So coming to this, like we have one more feature. Suppose like Muskan had talked to various number. Okay, so here we can see like according to this, like we have a lots of like detail, like total we have a 351 recording, right? But it will be like too complex to find a recording of a particular client. Okay, so basically if we know the client number, so directly we can enter, we can copy the number, and we can press on this. Okay, and we click on submit, and it will filter out and you can see only the particular this based on the agent name, number name we have filter out. So this is like easy way. Okay, so now coming to this like we have this one. Okay, so sorry for the disturbance. And like okay, this was about our agent page, and in this we have integrated one more feature, that is WhatsApp. So from here we can able to like we can able to text to a multiple clients, and there also we have lots of features like you can able to send a template message to a single user, to a multiple user, and after that you can able to live chat with them. Okay, that all the things we have integrated in this. After that we have a IVR features. So from here IVRs we have a groups. Okay, so these all are groups, like how many groups you will create, so that all the detail will come here. After that we have a list features also. So from here you can upload a multiple list. Suppose we have a list where we have a detail about like 10,000 or 5,000 or 1,000, so that directly we can upload, and it will come here, and we can do whatever we want as per our requirement, right? So this was about our admin page. So coming to the agent page, so these are our agent page. Okay, so basically, okay, just give me 1 minute. Okay, so basically this is our main interface. So from here, as you can you have seen in the starting also. So here we have two things like agent, admin. So admin I already have explained. Now coming to the agent login. So when we'll click on agent, so here we have to select a campaign, like in which campaign you want to assign the agent. Okay, so suppose I have given the credential and I'm selecting the details. So whenever I click on login, so the agent have been logged in, right? So I'm selecting this, and here we have 2 3 features, right? So here we have a features like manual dial. So from here, suppose I'm calling to this number. Okay, sorry for the disturbance. For the security purpose, I am hiding this number. Okay, so whenever I will click on this, the call will be ringing on the another phone. Okay, so after that we will toll on that, and after that you can talk with that. And suppose on that already the call is ringing, I can able to see the ring. So whenever the next person will pick up the call, so after that we can talk to them, right? So after completing our conversation, or in between, if we feel like we want to take a leave, suppose we are giving the person in a hold or transfer call, that all the features we have. And we have one new features also, like from here you can able to mute your call from our side. So whenever we will click here, if this type of symbol is come, like it is indicating that our call is in mute. Okay, so that type of features we have integrated here. After that, here we have a hang up features. So after that, after completing our conversation, we can click on hang up, so that the call will be hang up. And after that, here we can indicate the reason, like what was the reason, whether the person has attempted the call or not, or they have did not receive the call, or they were busy, like that we can say, like that we can indicate. Okay, so now coming to this, like we have more features, like this I have explained you about the manual calls. Like that we have a predictive also, and progressive also. So basically in predictive, what is happening, we can call multiple number at a time, like 5 6 number we can call, or like multiple means there is no limit about that. We can call multiple number at a time. So based on the whether some agent will be busy or some agent will be free, so that it will automatically identify, and the call will be then automatically, like you don't have to do anything. So that features we have. After that, we have a progressive calls also. So in progressive calls, like automatically if you are talking with someone, and after completing the call, again the next will be call will come automatically. Okay, so you don't have to do anything manually, these all are automatic process. Okay, and in this we have one more features, that is IVR. So basically what is IVR? Like IVR, as we can see currently there are many bank or Flipkart, Amazon, we can see, like sometime we will receive a call from some number. So whenever we will pick the call, there will be a like automatic bot type calling will be happening, like they will ask you, okay, for selecting this language, English or Hindi. Like for English you can click on yeah, 1, or for Hindi you can click on 2, or for Urdu you can click on 2. Okay, so after pressing on that button again, it will ask us to give on go on a next phase. Okay, so after that again they will ask us like whether you want to like you are eligible for 20,000 loan or 2 lakh loan. So like that, if you want that, then you can click on 1. Okay, that type of features we have integrated. So again, when we will click on 1, so if the client is interested on taking a loan, so we will click on 1, and after clicking on 1, the call will be automatically transferred to our agent. So basically IVR like from bot to direct, like agent will be on call. Okay, so if the customer is interested, then the call will be transferred to agent, or if the agent is not interested, then the call will be hang up by itself. So this will solve a issue, like we don't have to call the members like multiple times, like it will be like automatic calling. Like if the agent if the member will be interested, then only you have to talk with them. If the agent is not in if the customer is not interested, then you don't have to waste your time. So that type of features we are providing. And here also we have a WhatsApp that as I have said explained you in admin panel. So this type of features we have integrated. So I hope you like this. So please reach us out if you like this. Please contact on this below number. Okay, thank you for this. Okay. So here this is basically this is a Autodial. So here we have integrated a Wati. So with the help of this, you can able to send the message to a client by from here itself. So suppose so whenever we will click on here, then currently we have a conversation with Mamta Sharma, and when we will go map, this is our all contacts. So currently I am selecting on Lucky, and after that when I will click on hi and click on send, then the message will be sent successfully. So here we have a more features, like we can able to send a template message to a particular client. Like when we click here, we have a select contact. So here we can able to write the client number with country code excluding plus, and this is our currently selected contact, like whatever the contact we have saved in Wati, so that will be available here. So from here only itself we can select a contact, and we can click on next, and after that these are our pre-upload template. So suppose we will select on this, and we will click on send, then the message has been sent successfully. So here we have a two more options. So basically this option is responsible whenever we will send a template message to a multiple client. So suppose when I will click here, and I am selecting as a Lucky and one Deepak Kumar, and so currently we have selected a two contact, and now we will select on this particular template. We can select any of the template. So I'm selecting this one only, and now when I will click on send, then the message has been sent successfully. And this we have a third option. So currently if the user want to see a conversation of like 1 week back or 1 day back, like that, if the user want to see a full conversation, then they can just able to click on this link, so that by using this link you can get a chat conversation here. Here currently we have deleted the chat conversation, that's why we are not getting that much client here. So suppose when we click on Lucky, so we can see here currently we have a only few conversation, as I said you before that I have deleted. So if we have a conversation for 1 year, then we can able to see our all the conversation that will be stored here only. So that's all about our Wati integration.